Welcome to our channel. Now we're gonna see how to build and to-do website using ChatGPT, which is an AI by only using mobile. Let's directly get into the video now. Open your browser, open ChatGPT website, the link is shown on the screen. Now I'm asking AI to build and to-do website using HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Now AI is starting to write code. Let's wait for a minute. It write code separately for HTML, CSS, JavaScript. All we're gonna do in the mobile, so we need in mobile editor app. I personally prefer SPCK editor, which is available in Play Store. If you don't know how to use this editor app, I already uploaded a video in our channel, do check it out. I also give it in iCard. Now open the editor app, copy the link which is given by the AI. Now I copy HTML code and paste it in. Now I check is it work properly. Yeah, it working, and then copy CSS code again. Paste it on style. CSS. Now I again check is it work properly. Yeah, it working, and finally copy the JavaScript code and paste it. Finally check the output. Yeah, it's working perfectly. Now we can add to-do list in it. If you like this video, consider subscribe our channel.